Hello, Hedgehogs. Today we are going to talk about how to make a template in Canva. So depending on whether you are a free user or a pro user, this process looks a tiny bit different. So I am going to show you both and hopefully might coax you to the dark side of paying for Canva just to see how easy it makes it for small business owners. So to start with, we are going to create a design. So you can do that two ways. So you can either hit the beautiful purple button up here, or you can pick one of the options on this home screen here. So I'm going to do create a design. I like it a little bit more. You get a few more options off the get-go. So we all know that Instagram has just changed its aspect ratio. So you now have to create both Instagram and Facebook graphics separately if you are still using Square for Facebook. So we're going to start with that and we're going to do the new Instagram aspect ratio. So what you're going to do then is you are going to design it as you see fit. So I'm just going to pull a bunch of stuff from our brand into here. You can also see we've got some other brand templates already happening. So I'm just gonna get crazy and I'm going to pull just a bunch of random stuff on here for you so you can see. So we're going to put some text on there. We're going to do a heading. We're going to do a subheading. We're going to do some body text. What we're going to do is we're going to center that in there. We're going to make them slightly bigger. Okay, cool. Very crude example, but you absolutely get the idea. So, assuming this is your final design, you are happy as Larry. If you have a pro account, you can publish this as a brand template. So I encourage you, if you aren't using the brand functionality, so this is what I was in over here with all of your colors set up, all of your logos already in there, all of your graphics and your iconography in there. I encourage you to set that up. It's a whole other video that I'm happy to do if people would like to understand that function better. But let's just assume if you're a business user and you pay for Pro, you already have this set up. So then what you want to do is publish as a brand template. So it is not hard. She is super easy. So what it's going to ask you is which folder you want to put it in. So I have a pretty structured folder system in my Canva. I encourage you to do something similar. So I've used Hedgehog branding. So this is going to go in Hedgehog and it's just going to go there. And then you're going to hit this button that says add. You can see that it's now selected that folder and then you're going to hit publish. Look at that. You've just published your first brand template. What a great day to be alive. Perfect. So that is how easy it is with a paid pro account. With a free account, it is slightly more complicated, but honestly, not really. So if you set this up on your free account to use it as a template, you can go back to home. You can see it here. And then you can make a duplication of it. So you can click on these triple dots and then you can make a copy. So then what that is going to do, it's going to make a carbon copy and it's not going to change your original. It's going to make a new version that you can then use as a template and a starting point for your new design. So there's ways around not having a paid account, and so you can definitely still do it and duplicate it. So if you have a paid account and you don't necessarily want to use brand template at the functionality, you can do the same thing. So copying designs is absolutely available across all levels of plans. And that's it. So you can see for Hedgehog, I've gone ahead and I've set up a bunch of brand templates. So I've got mine named, obviously, as the different aspect ratios. So I assume that is going to be the most widely used way to do templates. So I encourage you to do something similar. And if you do have a pro account, you can obviously use the resize feature. So you can build it in one of the aspect ratios and let's just get it to resize it. So hopefully that was helpful and it makes streamlining your graphic creation just that little bit easier. Happy creating, hedgehogs.